Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Montego Bay and we are giving you a tour on the Montego Bay Perimeter Road project. Now we're actually driving on the Montego Bay bypass. The Montego Bay Perimeter Road project consists of four major road developments, or they're going to build four major roads. The Montego Bay bypass is one of the four, and that's what we're driving on today. This road goes from Ironshore to Bogue. So you can basically, instead of driving through the city of Montego Bay, you can drive around it. So if you have no business in Montego Bay, the bypass is the perfect route. And then the second project is a Long Hill bypass. The third project is the expansion of Barnett Street, and the fourth project is the expansion of West Green Avenue. So all four road projects make up the Montego Bay Perimeter Road project. So we'll give you updates on all four road projects. But today we are giving you an update on the Montego Bay Bypass project. There's also another part to the Perimeter Road project, which is some drainage work, but we'll talk about that in another video. Okay, so this is a road. It's going to be a 4-lane dual carriageway, 15 kilometers. It's going to take you from Ironshore to Bogue. This is what you call a game changer for Montego Bay. This project costs $55 billion, and it is going to Montego Bay is already on the map. It's the tourist capital of Jamaica, but it's going to make moving around the city so much easier. And right now, I think Montego Bay or St. James leads Jamaica with investment. The amount of hotels, and with the massive hotels going up in Montego Bay. The Sangster International Airport is in Montego Bay. So it's good that the government is spending this kind of money on the infrastructure in Montego Bay, because I think Montego Bay gets a lot more reinvestments, foreign investment, than anywhere else in Jamaica. Alright, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this project. Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, Honorable Robert Morgan, says the Montego Bay Perimeter Road project will unlock the full potential of Western Jamaica by reducing traffic, enhancing business, and connecting communities. The Perimeter Road is here to boost efficiency. It is here to assist the economy. It is here to create a better approach in terms of traffic and persons going about their business in this section of the island, he noted during a tour of the project. Being implemented by the National Road Operating and Constructing Company, NROC, the $55.6 billion Montego Bay Perimeter Road project includes the 15-kilometer Montego Bay bypass, the 11-kilometer Long Hill bypass, upgrades to Barnett Street and West Green Avenue, and the construction of a 180-meter bridge over the Montego Bay River. When completed, the bridge will be the longest and tallest 4-lane structure in Jamaica. Minister Morgan said the bridge is central to the project and will link communities from Trelawney and St. Anne to Hanover and Westmoreland. Already under the project, the Diamond Interchange at Cornwall Courts has been completed by providing full access to the Montego Bay bypass. The Salt Spring Bridge and overpass are also complete, with traffic being redirected to utilize this new infrastructure. Minister Morgan said one of the key features of the project is the employment for scores of Jamaicans. The steel workers are Jamaicans, the engineers are Jamaicans, the men who drive the trucks, the men who drive the excavators, the tractors. There was also a technology and knowledge exchange between the Jamaican contingent and the experts from China Harbour Engineering Company, he noted. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.